2-piece cake pan. This Chicago metallic angel food cake pan is 9.5 inches in diameter and features a 2-piece tube design, perfect for baking angel food and bundt cakes. Pan hold approximately 16 cups or can prepare 1 box cake mix. Create beautiful and airy cakes. When this pan is inverted, the feet allow the cake to evenly cool. Air circulates underneath for easy release. Non-stick coating, made from heavyweight aluminized steel for superior heat conduction and even baking. This angel food cake pan set features an easy release, silicone-based, non-stick coating for ease of baking and cleanup. Measurements: this pan measures 9.5 inch by 4 inch and is heat safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. Dishwasher safe: this pan is dishwasher safe, however hand washing is recommended to extend the product life. You need practice and the right tools to create fresh and moist angel food cake. Our premium non-stick 2-piece angel food cake pan is up to the job. When the pan is inverted, specially designed feet allow air to circulate underneath for easy release, and it's dishwasher safe for a quick cleanup. Oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius, not intended to be used under the broiler. Sharp-edged utensils and knives should not be used. At Chicago Metallic, we believe that serious baking requires serious bakeware. That's why we've been crafting innovative equipment for professionals and serious home bakers for over 100 years. We've built a global reputation one kitchen at a time. People know our products are built for durability and can be depended on year after year. We're proud to offer 3 distinct lines of premium bakeware plus stylish, innovative specialty bakeware and baking essentials. The Chicago Metallic Professional line of bakeware makes cooking and baking a delight. The non-stick surface easily releases each recipe and makes cleanup effortless. It's the preferred choice of bakers who understand quality and design, but also want professional-grade durability. Top reviews from the United States. First time baking an angel food cake. This tube pan worked out perfectly. I made an angel food cake for the first time with this pan. It baked beautifully, didn't leak, and the cake was nice and fluffy. You can see that the little prongs on the top worked well to prop the cake upside down to cool. This is crucial, otherwise the cake would deflate. Once cool, I gently ran a knife on edge. It came out easily. I was worried that this pan was described as non-stick, as I read that angel food cakes need a non-stick pan in order for the cake to crawl up the side, but it climbed up the sides just fine.